What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly apply hair product to your hair so you can always go throughout your day with a fresh hairstyle and looking your best. So I know there's a lot of mistakes that a lot of people do when it comes to styling their own hair, and a lot of that has to do with either they do it in sections, just the front, and so that's pretty much going to be a big problem because when you want to style your hair, you have to make sure that you get all of your hair covered from the back to the front to the sides, from the in and out, and everything has to be coated with the hair product if you want your hair to last throughout the day and you don't want the wind to gust by, mess up your hair, or you don't want to have 5 hours into styling your hair having to constantly readjust it, and then if you don't have a good product, you're going to have greasy hands from it and so forth. So this is going to help you fix all these problems so you don't have to go throughout your day readjusting your hair, and just knowing that if the wind does come by, you're going to be in good shape and this is going to last for you. So before I show you guys how I actually go ahead and style my hair, I want to share with you a few other tips. So one of the things I wanted to mention for you guys, and something that's very important when it comes to styling your hair and making sure that you're applying the correct product to your specific hair type. So for me, I've got thick hair. It's very thick, and for me, I think a clay is always going to be best, usually with creams or waxes, even gels. I don't really use gels because they have alcohol in them, but typically creams and the lighter products, kind of like a paste, these don't really work well for my hair type because it's very thick and it just doesn't work out. So for me personally, I use a clay or some type of really high hold wax, and this works best for me because I've got really thick hair. So if you've got really thick hair as well, definitely shoot for a clay. If you've got lighter hair or thinner hair, I'd say a paste is probably going to be better for your hair, but if you want that high hold, you can still go for a clay. I always opt for the highest hold possible, so a super high hold or just something that's really good at keeping my hair in place. So another quick thing that I wanted to add, even though the Hans de Foucault Gravity Paste says that it's a high hold, medium shine, for me personally, I haven't gotten a single dosage of high hold from this product. So for me personally, it's not really doing the job in terms of the high hold. So that's why I always opt for the Claymation or the Quicksand from Hans de Foucault. And just so you guys know, I have been trying to reach out to Hans de Foucault to get you guys some type of discount, but for some reason, their emailing department or some type of HR department, marketing department, they haven't been able to pick up and reach out to me. So for some reason, I can't get a discount code to help you guys out and save some money. So hopefully in the near future, I can get something like that going for you. But between me and you, definitely go and buy these products right around the holidays. You can always get a buy one, get one free Claymation towards Christmas time. But you didn't hear that from me. Alright, so enough talking. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I've been talking about with some Hans de Foucault Claymation. So once we open it up, take it out of the jar, grab about a pea-sized amount, just like this. So enough to fill your index finger, just around a pea-sized amount. Go ahead, put it in your palm, and pretty much emulsify it like crazy until your hands are on fire. Then you know you're good with the emulsification. So keep on going crazy. Ah! Alright, it should be good, and it pretty much should be completely invisible after you've emulsified it completely on your hands. So once you've done this, go ahead, grab your head, and just start from the back and push everything completely forward. Don't mind that you're completely messing up your hair. It's not gonna look right and so forth. It's okay. That's why we can get a little bit more and just push it in the direction we want afterwards. So go ahead, mess it up, go side to side, do what you gotta do, give your head the works. You see a lot of my hair is falling out. That's just normal, don't worry about that. So we've got it down like this. So what this pretty much is doing is pushing your hair in the opposite direction that you want to style it. So for me, I always like to have a lot of volume with my hairstyles. And so because my hair naturally flows downwards and I want to have volume with my hair, so it needs to go back in the opposite direction. So when you apply the product pushing down, you're hitting the roots going forward. So when you push it up and over, it's gonna have that lift and it's gonna have that volume that's gonna stay and look really nice throughout the day. Let me go ahead and grab about a half a pea sized amount more. Put this down, got a half a pea sized amount more. Emulsify it like a crazy person again. All right, nothing left in my fingers. And then go ahead and start to push it. What I like to do is push my hair in the opposite direction from where I want to go. So I'm pushing it towards the right side of my head right now. Getting it all like this. Once I feel like it's good, then I'll flip it back over to the actual direction that I want to style it. And then we should start to see that volume. And then the whole head is completely coated with product. So we shouldn't have to worry about wind or the hair falling down throughout the day and so forth. We can just set it and forget it. And honestly, you can still restyle it after everything's set in stone. So this is, for me, the best way to style your hair. So I know with this particular look, the wind isn't gonna mess up my hair. I'm not gonna have to keep fixing it throughout the day, which is a huge plus when it comes to styling your hair. And let's say you have an event to go to, or work, or a wedding, or something that you don't have to keep messing with your hair constantly throughout the day. This is the best way to style your hair. I'm telling you, this is what you guys should be doing. Don't do anything else. Don't try and piece it. Don't try and, piece it here and there. Use other products that aren't gonna be good for your hair. So figure out which hair products are best for your hair type. Like I said before, I've got thick hair, so clays and heavy hold waxes are gonna be the best options for me, because I also like to go for those high volume, really nice textured looking hairstyles. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what we're working with the Hans de Foucault claymation and this nice high hold hairstyle.
Do not go gentle into that good night.
Alright, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys learned something in today's video and you guys can implement this for your particular hairstyles. Again, this is gonna be the best way to apply hair product for your hairstyle to keep a really nice style lasting from the morning all the way until night. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications right next to it to make sure you guys never miss a new video. And if you guys want to learn how to cut your own hair and save yourself up to $600 a year and so many hours of your time by cutting your own hair for yourself, make sure you check out my self-haircut course using the first link at the top of the description. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support, but I'll catch you next time. Peace!